How to share load in the Globe One app. You want to open up the Globe One app and make sure you're logged in with your Globe number. You will then tap on buy load or share load. It's usually on the home screen or in the main menu. You want to choose a number, select a number from your contacts or enter it manually. You will then choose share load as the option. You'll see options like buy load or share load. You want to pick the sharing options. Select the amount, pick how much load you want to send, and review the transaction. You want to double check the number and the amount. You will tap send or share and confirm and send the load. You will then wait for confirmation. You will receive an SMS or app confirmation. You want to tell your friend, let them know that you've sent them a load, and they'll get a text too. Repeat as needed. If you want to share with someone else, you'll just do it again. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.